how to set up a dropshipping store with Framer and Stripe. So hello guys and welcome back to today's video. In today's video, we will tackle how we will be able to create our store with Framer and Stripe together, and then later on at the end of our video, we will be explaining how you can turn it into a dropshipping store. So first things first, the things that you could do in Framer is to build your store. You could create or easily create an amazing Shopify theme or a dropshipping theme store or an e-commerce theme store in Framer with all of its different features. It's very easy to create good designs, amazing designs, and to be able to integrate it with Stripe, let's assume that you have already built your website. So over here, let me modify this one just to give us an example. So we have our product over here. So let's say this one would be a buy now button. Modify this. Buy now for this specific product. And then let's assume this product would be monitor. Monitor 9000. Something like that. And then over here, let's give it a description. Best monitor in the market. Now, assuming that you have a website like this, you have created a design where you have the product that you're trying to sell over here. Now, you want this buy now button to be interactive, wherein if someone presses this, it would actually lead them to a checkout page wherein they will be able to pay for it and, of course, receive the product. And in Framer, if we're using Framer alone, that's going to be a very difficult task. But if we're using Stripe over here, we can take advantage and utilize its feature under payments over here. There will be options for payment links over here, as you can see. So over here, we could actually create our custom payment links. If we go over here in the top right, click on new, we will be able to see the template or like a form page over here of what we will need to enter or fill in. So let me teach you how to use this. So over here, there are two types for a payment link. You have products or subscription, or customer choose what to pay. Since we're selling a product, we're going to go for the products or subscription, which is best for e-commerce. And over here, you're simply going to add the product that you're trying to sell. So we're going to name it Monitor 9000 since that is what we're selling. Then give it a description, best monitor in the market. And then, of course, you're going to upload a photo of that monitor. So let's say I'm just going to use a random photo for now. I'm going to use this photo. But let's say this photo is our monitor. So after that, you could choose between here, recurring or one-off. So this is for subscription or a payment for a product. Of course, since we're selling a product, it's a one-off payment. After that, we're going to then input the amount we're setting it for. So let's say I'm selling it for $9.99 or like $99. There we go. We're going to add it over here. So let me add it action. So if I control space here, if I put the pricing here, okay, like that. And do the same thing over here. We're going to click on add product. And now we will have this product listed permanently in our database. So whenever you're creating another payment link, you could easily use this again. But you don't really need to reiterate or redo it every time. Once you have a specific payment link for a specific product, you could now use it anytime you want. But you could also add another product over here if you want. And we have additional options over here. We could collect the customer's address, which is an important thing. This is for shipping. So we're going to enable billing and shipping address over here so that we will be able to receive, of course, the location on which we will be sending the product to since we're selling products. We could also add some shipping rates if you prefer over here. We could add some additional shipping rates. So for example, let's say there's an additional $10 for shipping rate. And there's description over here you could add, and then you could also estimate some time over here. Anyway, let's just follow the example for now. Ground shipping. There we go. And then save. And now we have a shipping as well. Over here, you could also require customer to provide a phone number and also have a limit of payments. And then there's also advanced options over here if you want to ask specific questions. Maybe your product has different colors. Let's say it's a clothing. You could add custom fields over here, and then you could put in what you want to have. So over here, label name, let's say green, or whatever name or whatever label that you want to add for your variations. Stuff like that. And you could also have promotional codes and so on and so forth. And you can also modify the after payment over here, like what it would look like after the person has paid. And after that, we're going to click on create link. And now we should be able to have a link for us to be utilizing over here. So now this is our URL over here. So if we copy this link and now go to our framer, what we're going to do is we're going to click on buy now over here. And we're going to choose the location or like where this will be redirecting to. So link, and we're going to simply paste the URL over here, just like that. Then we could choose it to be a new tab and so on and so forth. Now, in Stripe, you also have the option to actually input or add it into your page. So you could now create an individual product page if you prefer. So if you have another page over here, for example, this one, and the contents of this page, let me clean this up for now. The contents of this page is the product. What we could do is actually we could just simply import. So let me insert something over here, utility, code block or embed over here, depends on what you prefer. And then we're going to simply copy our URL over here because you are actually able to get an HTML code. So over here, HTML, JSON over here, and it should now be an embed over here. I could put this, as you can see, this is what it will look like on the website. So you could now create an individual product page for your specific products. So anyway, going back here, let's publish this so we can actually try it out. And since we specified here that we will be able to get their address, what you could do now to allow yourself to have a dropshipping interaction is to actually go to specific platforms such as AliExpress, Alibaba, stuff like that. And uh, wherever you got those products that you're selling on your store from, you could then purchase that product with your customer's information. So instead of the store, for example, this one is the store, delivering directly to us, so let's say this is us, they will no longer go through us, but rather they will go pass through our customers. So for example, us, this is us, we got our customers' information, we purchased something from Alibaba. Since our product came from Alibaba, they will deliver it directly to our customers instead of us because uh, they contain the information that they need to deliver to the customer. So we no longer handle all any inventory and so on and so forth. Therefore, we are able to actually basically easily establish a dropshipping interaction by simply through their information. And over here, let's see if we can now check it out. So if we preview this, we should be able to see our button or like the section that we modified. It shows over here. There we go. So if you click on buy now, we would be redirected to Stripe over here, their payment link that we have just created. And then of course, we can purchase it through here and we will be able to receive the information that they have purchased our product. So that's basically it, guys. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.